Alright, so welcome to Rachel T's Reviews. I will be reviewing the Yes Please palette by Colourpop. Maybe if I turn the light off for a second, you'll be able to actually see it. Alright, it says the names of the colors on the back as well as in the pans themselves. So when you open it up, I've used this one a lot. I have it on right now actually. I use this palette anytime I do some type of sunset look, yellows, orange, little brown underneath. I just did a tutorial of how to do this look. I didn't put highlight on in the video because I ran out of time, so here's the highlight added. And then I used Kopari, maybe? Coconut Rose Toner. And I love the smell of this. I use that as more of a setting spray, which I don't think that's what it's intended for. I'm not sure. Maybe it is. Yeah, it's supposed to be on a clean face, but I'm a rebel. So, I already did swatches on my arms of this, so you wouldn't have to sit here and watch me do them, but I will do one on camera so you can also see how well it swatches. Now, the one on this arm is the top two, and then on this arm here will be just that bottom row by itself. So, I absolutely love these shades. Some of them, it actually helps if you get like a damp brush or if you really prime your eyes well before. Like this yellow here, I had to swipe that maybe 4 times to get it to be that shade. But, I mean, you can see it kind of in the background there. It works. And I like it more than some of the other yellow palettes that I have. Model's Own, if I can find where that palette went. And this is the palette Blaze. They also have a nice yellow here, which I will, oops, I'll put on this finger to compare. This is the second swipe, third swipe, fourth swipe. Now, this one is from the Model's Own, and this one is from Yes Please. I mean, they're both different shades of yellow, and they both take about the same amount to get to that point. This one's a little bit more of like a neon kind of yellow. This one's a, I don't know, more of like a goldish undertones, but you can't quite tell on my arm as you can in person. But so, we'll just swatch one shade just so you can see it. But, I mean, very pigmented. Look at that. That was just one swipe. Some of the colors do, again, take a couple swipes. This one here only took one swipe just to get to these lighter shades here. The only one that took several was the yellow. But overall, I absolutely love this palette. As you can tell from the outside, well, maybe you can't, but it's very dirty. Maybe you can't tell on the camera, and that's fine with me. But, sorry, I keep removing my light. Okay. So that's that palette. I definitely recommend it, and the price is right for it. I'll post all the links below in descriptions, and I'll also write what all's on my face down below in the comments as well. So there you have it, the Yes Please palette by Colourpop.